Okay, the last couple examples. Here we have -3 minus -8 plus 5. So the first thing I want to do is -3 minus -8. I want to solve this first. But I have a minus. Remember, we want to change our subtraction problems to addition problems, and we do that by using the 2' rule. So for the 2' rule, the first step will be to make that minus into a plus, because that's the whole point of using it. So the minus will change to a plus, and then I have to make one more little dash, either to make this a negative or to make it a plus, because it's already a negative, so I have to make that a plus. So then I change -3 minus -8 to -3 plus 8. Okay, -3 plus 8. Plus positive is the same thing as just plus. So -3 plus 8. And -3 plus 8, again, they have different signs, right? This is a negative and this is a positive. So the absolute value, I'm going to take the absolute value. Now if it's different signs, then you're going to take the difference of the absolute values. So -3, the absolute value of that, which is the distance from 0. How far away is -3 from 0? That's 3. And then this absolute value is 8. So when you find how far apart they are from 8 and 3, the absolute values, you get 5, right? So this is 5. Now you look at which number has the greater value, absolute value. So then that's 8. You're going to give it the same sign as that number. Okay, so since 8 is a greater number, it has a sign of a positive, so you're going to give that 5 a positive sign. And we don't have to write the positive sign. If you just don't write anything, then that's the same thing as giving it a positive sign. Okay, so this right here became 5. Then I have to do 5 plus this 5. And so my answer is going to be 10. Okay. Okay, the last example. This is for -10 minus a -9. So I'm going to solve that first. Again, by since it's a subtraction problem, for -10, I'm going to change that subtraction to an addition problem by using the 2' rule. So the first dash will be to change this minus to a plus, and then my next dash is going to make that into a negative. Okay? Remember, both dashes have to be within those two numbers. Okay? You can't make this number negative instead of this number. Okay? Both dashes you make are going to be within the two numbers. And it's 4 plus -10. Again, their signs are different. This has no sign, which means it's a positive. So +4 plus -10, they have different signs, which means you're going to take the difference of the absolute values. So this is 4 and this is 10. So to find how their difference is going to be 6. And then this has the greater value, and that has a sign of a negative, so that's going to go there too. And then I'm going to do that. So -6 minus a -9. Again, we have a minus problem, so I'm going to change this to addition by doing that. So that's 1. And then it's already negative, so then I have to make that a positive 2. Okay? So -6 plus +9. Opposite signs, right? They're different signs, so you find the difference. This is 6. This is 9. So then they're 3 units apart. Which one has the greater value? The 9. And that has a positive sign, so this is going to be a positive sign. So the answer is +3. Okay? So that's it for this lesson on subtracting integers. If you want to go back and review over some more problems, the previous lesson on adding integers, that will probably help you freshen up a little bit for the next lesson. Okay? So thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.